All right, here we are in our room at Kalahari, and this is actually a take two. The first time we made the mistake of leaving me in charge of the camera, and I thought I was recording, but turns out I was not. We were guessing the prices of all the snacks they leave in the room, and honestly, it was kind of fun, so we decided to share it with you guys anyways. So take two, here we go. Okay.
You wanna go over the snack review?
Yeah, we're gonna show them about this. First of all, we're gonna show them these. We paid $70 for these last time. You remember this?
Yeah, all of them.
$70.
Yeah, for all of them.
For all of them, there's 3 of them.
Yeah, I mean
these
3.
cups. $70.
Yeah. And it came with a drink, but
It came with a smoothie that was really not that good.
yeah, we can make better at home.
Too sweet. But you know, we're on vacation, so we paid these. Anyways, we brought these back for this
Yeah,
time.
this is from the last trip.
And we're gonna see if we can get refills.
They're still selling the same ones. I've seen
I
it.
saw a lady with the same cups because I was
Yeah.
like, are they gonna even have the same cups this time?
Yeah.
Now the refills are not free. They're gonna cost us, but they're gonna be cheaper this time, supposedly.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see about that, and I'll let you know about the refill cost. But
Yeah, wonderful popcorn.
this was what, $10?
Almost there. It's for $12.
$12 for 2 handfuls of popcorn.
Yeah, take like 5 seconds to complete.
Now, I mean, it looks good, don't get me wrong, but okay, next, because you know, I wonder, milk chocolate Oreo, are these even real Oreos? There's probably about not even a whole sleeve in here, maybe 12 to 14, 15 cookies, if that. I want to know, but how much is this
$14.
for some Oreos?
$14.
Nope. Next, freeze dried candy. Trying to get the kids with this. This is very popular with the kids these days. How much was this?
$11.
$11. I think at the store for a big bag, because we always want some, and I always tell her no, bless her heart. But I think they're $8 for like a huge bag at the store. So definitely overpriced there. And this is maybe 2-3 handfuls of M&Ms here.
Yeah.
$5.
$8.
You could definitely buy a big bag for that. This one here is gummy bears. This one shocked me right here.
Yeah.
For this little bit of gummy bears.
I think for the same one we can get it for like a $1.
Yeah, you can get more for $1 at the dollar store. I know that.
Yeah.
Or Walmart. And this is $8 too?
$8.
This protein bar here. One healthy thing. It's not even really healthy. What's 360 calories? Anyways, that doesn't matter. But no healthy options either. Let's note that here. What is this? How much is this one?
What do you think?
$7.
Yeah.
Oh, got it right. Okay. $7.
Yep, you're getting the prizes.
This one, I admit, is a little interesting to me too because it's freeze-dried ice cream. Freeze-dried ice cream. I've never tried it, but I'm not paying this price for it. What did we guess? $8. $11. $11, just like the other one. No.
This is interesting.
This one, and it's not no fit. I mean, some people might like this, but sea salt, the sea salt brand, $5.
Yep, that's the
crazy.
cheapest.
You can get a whole. We bought big bags of chips over there for no.
For the same money, we can get a box of it.
Oh, you can get a whole bag. This one really shocked me too. This game night. How much was this one?
That's the priciest one, I think.
$27, right?
Yeah, 25. You're close.
Still too much. Joke's on them because we bought our own card games.
And that cost less than $10.
These were Christmas gifts, so yeah. And this one.
Ooh, that's
we all
interesting.
know the kids love Cheetos, and these are minis. This one I feel like is the most reasonably priced, still way overpriced. If I remember correctly, this one's $5.
No,
Oh, it's not? $8?
$8.
No, it's not. It's overpriced. And that is the snacks. Or the kids are sleeping in the other room because they're not gonna accidentally get into these.
Yeah, we are just trying to cover all these things.
Oh, and their water bottles.
Oh yeah, that's a.
This is their water bottle. This is our water bottle.
Yeah, we got the whole 12 pack for $9, I guess. 8 or 9.
Yeah, this is
12
Costco
pack.
brand. And this is how much? $7?
That is $7 each.
Imagine being so thirsty and you have to pay $7 for a bottle of water.
If you're desperate.
Yeah, or if you're, in the middle of the night or something, you don't want to get out. But all right, that's a wrap for this one. Moral of the story: pack your own snacks if you decide to visit Kalahari, and don't leave me in charge of the camera. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.